With just a few easy steps, you can embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth using the Best Life Remix Kit. Whether you're looking to enhance your career, improve your relationships, or boost your overall well-being, these instructions will provide you with the tools and guidance you need.
Defining what success looks like for you is how we will create a custom roadmap to get you there. Next, we cultivate a positive mindset to face down any obstacles in your way. Nothing can stop you when you are focused on the goal. Surround yourself with supportive people, practice gratitude, and focus on your strengths to ignite a transformation. Your attitude can significantly influence your path to success.
Change is possible, and it starts with you. Take the first step today and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible. Your Best Life is a quick remix VIP special event. Be sure to turn it out.
Step right up for a straightforward transformation journey that's all about you with the Best Life Remix Kit. Do not wait another day to make your dreams come true. Whether you're seeking to refine your daily routines, embrace healthier habits, or unlock your full potential, this Remix Kit is designed to help you with your life.
Imagine waking up each day with renewed energy, clarity, and purpose. Picture yourself achieving goals you once thought were out of reach, all while maintaining a sense of balance and well-being. With these practical tips and critical information, you will find everything you need to thrive.
It's not just about change, it's about creating a lifestyle that reflects your true self. So take that first step today and embark on a journey that celebrates your unique strengths and aspirations. The future is bright, and it is all within your grasp. Joy West Press knows the directions to reaching your best future with the Best Life Remix Kit.